In these days it is very tough to get job in IT industry. Means many of the people we are coming from the non IT background, and we are seeking for the right place to learn and gain the skills to join to get the job in IT industry. Evision Techno Service the best place to gain the skills, and here the mentors and all the trainers they will train with very well, as means like with the real life scenarios. My name is Lukka. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation. I got placed in SISL Infotech with the package of 2.6. I suggested you everyone to join in Evision Technoser to get and right path to get job in IT industry. Thank you Evision Technoser for giving me this wonderful opportunity for the right path to join in IT industry.